Howdy! Grandpa here and Mimi's behind the camera. And today we're going to do a special unveiling of Pops. And this hint is going to be dogs. You remember from last week our hint was dogs? It's going to be this week, and we'll see what we got here. Today we're going to be doing a few of them. All these types of dogs we got here. First is the Loot Llama, some kind of inbreed kind of dog. We got the Siberian Husky, and another one, Dachshund. First we'll look at Dachshund. It was released in 2013 from the series Pets. This is Dachshund. I like the details of the dog and the nose, and it just looks really cool. This one's worth about $150. I paid about $75 for it, but now it's worth $150. And very cool looking pet here, Dachshund from the series Pets. Next, we're going to do a Siberian Husky. This is also from Pets. I got this one in 2013 as well, and it came out in 2013, Siberian Husky. And this is out of 6 of these. I've not got all 6, but I'm working on it. This is the first one of the edition, Siberian Husky. Worth about $170. I paid $75 for it, so I'm coming out ahead again. You know what I mean? And this last one here is a San Diego Comic-Con from 2019, glows in the dark. Loot Llama. It's some sort of weird breed of dog. It glows in the dark. You see the special details. It glows. I don't know why they make dogs like that, but it is what it is. There's only about 200 of these made. This one here is probably worth around $780. I paid about $35 for it. I think it's ended up pretty good. And our question of the day comes from, Mimi's getting all the paper off here. And this one, Grandpa, what's your favorite pop? My favorite pop, since we're on the, pet scene, Grandpa, Mimi's kind of looking for me my favorite pop. It's actually over there in that area somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Yeah,
you suck, Mimi.
My favorite pop is actually Coronation Elsa. Since we're on the pets theme, this is actually my favorite one. This is from the Disney series Frozen. Coronation Elsa, Hot Top exclusive. Probably worth at least $800 by now. This is my favorite one. This is in actually series 2, and it's number 118. It says 121 here. I don't know why they make these numbers up for. This is worth again about $800. I paid $35 for it. I'll come out ahead. But again, that's Grandpa here. That's Mimi back on the camera. We'll see you later.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.